Have you ever poured your heart into a campaign? Watched your ideas fade unnoticed in a crowded feed? Felt the sting when your story didn't reach its audience? You're not alone. Every marketer knows this feeling. We dream of making an impact, of being seen and heard. But the digital world moves fast, and competition is fierce. What if you could break through the noise effortlessly? Imagine your creativity amplified by intelligent technology. Meet Bestever, your new partner in ad creation. Bestever isn't just another tool, it's a game changer. It understands your vision, your goals, your challenges. With AI-powered analysis, it unlocks new possibilities. No more guesswork, just data-driven, winning strategies. Picture a dashboard that reveals what truly works. See real-time metrics, intuitive visualizations, instant insights. Feel empowered as you evaluate campaign effectiveness easily. Bestever helps you target the right audience every time. It analyzes competitors so you stay one step ahead. Discover creative assets that stop the scroll. Generate high-impact ads with just a few clicks. Customize your storyboard with drag-and-drop simplicity. Preview your product showcase videos instantly. Let your imagination run free. Bestever brings it to life. Every scene, every detail, crafted for maximum engagement. Boost your productivity with seamless workflow automation. Integrate AI-driven tools with your favorite apps. Streamline complex processes. Focus on what matters most. Bestever is designed for experienced merchants like you. It's sleek, modern, and intuitive. No steep learning curve. Navigate powerful tools that fit your professional needs. Source high-conversion ad creatives across all categories. Wellness, fashion, finance, lifestyle. Find inspiration instantly. Replicate effective marketing materials for targeted campaigns. Bestever's AI helps you adapt, evolve, and thrive. Unlock innovative strategies that set you apart. Feel the excitement as engagement numbers climb. Watch your brand's story reach more hearts, more minds. See your hard work finally get the recognition it deserves. Every ad tells a story. Make yours unforgettable. Bestever is more than technology, it's your creative ally. It listens, learns, and grows with your business. Feel supported, understood, and inspired every step. No more late nights struggling to crack the code. No more wasted budgets on ads that don't convert. Bestever gives you confidence in every decision. Instant feedback means you're always improving. Your success is built into every feature, every insight. Imagine launching campaigns that truly resonate. Imagine seeing your audience respond with real emotion. Bestever makes marketing feel personal again. Because behind every ad is a dream, a vision. And behind every dream is someone who believes. Let Bestever help you turn belief into results. Let your ideas shine brighter than ever before. Feel the pride as your brand grows and flourishes. Celebrate wins, big and small, with your team. Share stories that matter. Connect with real people. Bestever is here for every marketer's journey, from the first brainstorm to the final report. From uncertainty to clarity, from hope to achievement. Ready to craft ads that win hearts and minds? Ready to unlock the power of AI-driven creativity? Ready to see your brand soar above the competition? Bestever is waiting to help you make it happen. Join thousands of merchants who trust Bestever daily. Experience the difference of smart, intuitive ad creation. Don't let your story go unheard, let it shine. Start your journey with Bestever on AppSumo today. Make every campaign count, make every ad unforgettable. Bestever, where your marketing dreams become reality. Click now and unleash your creative potential. The future of advertising is here. Are you ready? Bestever, craft winning ads with AI analysis. Your audience is waiting. Your moment is now. Let's build something extraordinary together. Bestever, your heart, your vision, your success. Try it today and feel the difference. Bestever on AppSumo, the power to create, the power to win.